Hello everyone! In this video we will be creating this beautiful company card. And we will be using only plain HTML and CSS without any JavaScript. First open up a VS Code and create an index.html file. Add a boilerplate and add a suitable title. Inside the body tag add a wrapper tag and nest a card tag within which you should add a header tag which will contain h1 tag. You can name the heading anything you want, but for the video purpose I'm naming it has company code. Create some random number for the h2 tag. And after that click on the live server to view the progress of the project. Now search for Google Fonts where you can find commercial free fonts and type over there Varela. Click on Get Font. Make sure to remove all the other font which are present over there and only select Varela font. And copy the URL on the Get Embedded code. Use the link tag to relate with your style sheet. And create a style.css file if you haven't created it yet. And then add the URL of the font which we copied. Now keep on adding styling to the HTML tags as shown in the video. Now return back to the index.html file and add a footer tag just below the header tag. The footer tag is where we will be adding the date and name tag. Nest h3 and h4 tag inside the date tag. Now inside the name tag add a h5 tag. Below the name tag add a MasterCard tag. And inside the MasterCard tag nest two tags called as C1 and C2 tags. Now continue adding styling in your style sheet as shown in the video. Now again come back to your index.html file and add a bubble tag called as bubble1. Copy the bubble1 tag and paste it 3 more times. Make sure to change the number consecutively as 2, 3, and 4. Now we need to add various styling and animations to the 4 bubble tags in the style sheet. So keep on adding styling as shown in the video. I actually did a typo by mistake while referring to the bubble2 tag. So make sure to correct it in your style sheet as well. Now only one last styling is remaining to add for the bubble4 tag. So keep on adding the styles as shown in the video. Now we are going to add a hover effect to the card tag. After adding this effect, certain animations will occur while hovering a mouse over the card element. And with this, the project is finally completed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to support our channel.